Hey, Mickey, you're so bad. Oh. Oh. He's crying.
Oh.
He's shaking. He's struggling so bad.
He's gonna do it. Oh.
Oh.
No, don't carry.
He doesn't do anymore.
One more time, Mickey.
Mickey.
Bring him back out here.
Man, he's gonna evict the bed.
Move your ass.
Hey, Mickey.
There you go.
I think he's too tired. I think he's gonna grab onto that and then
No, he's got it. He's got it. Oh!
Okay, stop carrying that.
He's hiding. Take off the jacket. Take off that jacket over there.
This one.
Yep. I think he's stuck inside.
You don't want to come back out. Mickey? He's holding on to it.
Oh. He's hiding. Okay.